Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So we have the limit and x approach to 0 of tan x over x to the power of 1 over x. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. In this situation, we can put about e to the power of ln of this one. In here, we will put like this because we have 1 over x over tan x over x inside natural law, so we can put 1 over x in here. Next, we can move this limb go in here, and now we just have e to the power of limit x approach to 0 and we have ln of tan x over x over x. Now we just consider about this limit in here. In this situation, if we put 0 in here, 0 in here, you will get about 0 over 0. We can use about L hospital in here. So we do first the derivative of this one and this one. And now you will get about tan x over, and we have x in here, so we do first the derivative of tan x over x. This one we change to number 1, so we just have like this. So first the derivative of this one, we will get about tan x, they will go first, so you go about 1 over 1 over cosine x square, and we multiply with x. This one go to square, and now we go to negative tan x. Now we need to simplify this one with this one, so you go about x. This one divide this one, you go about 1 over cosine x square, and tan x divided by x. We know that this one we can do about 1 plus tan x square, and now we will have 1 over tan x and negative 1 over x. So we do common denominator, So if we put 0 in here, we still have 0 over 0. So now we do L hospital again. So this one we got about 1, and we have 2 tanx secant s, and we have secant s square. This one we know that this one we can change about secant of s square. This one eliminate this one. Because we have still have 0 over 0, so we still use L hospital. Simplify secant s square. Now we put 0 in here, and you can see you got about 0. So after that we put back this 0 for this one. So this one we put about 0. So we got about e to the power of 0, and the answer is about 1. That's the end. Thank you for watching.